Hello guys, in this exercise you have to enhance our previous proof of concept script to match the following. First, to minimize the performance issues, if we got the pass keyword while dumping the browser memory, we have to stop the debugging. Next, we've got to export our script into standalone EXE file so it can be used in post-exploitation phase, and as usual it should be an antivirus free. Finally, we have to give it a try and make sure that it's fully functional. A little hint to help you in this exercise: in the callback function, add a new if statement to terminate the debugging once we got a pass keyword. Also, as we said earlier, it's always a good thing that before sending this script to your target, you should test it first locally. And to do so, you may need to change the setting in the py to exe setup file to console mode. Anyway, the end result should be something similar to what I will show you in this video. Okay, so this is the standalone end result here. And to test our script here, I will log in into my Facebook account. Okay, go to log into Facebook. And as you can see, the last pass has entered our username and password for us. So I'm gonna run our script here. Okay, so this is the Firefox process ID and the memory address for the function. And notice once I click on the login button, let me grab my pen here for a second. Notice the credentials that we extracted from the memory. So this is the email address, and this is the password here. So the password value is my strong password. Now let's verify if this was really the correct password stored on the last pass. So sites, then social. When you do click on edit, and if you want to see the password value, you can see my strong password here, which is the same that we got from our script here. Now let's see if the same tool and the same technique are gonna work with other websites. So let me end up this one, and I'm gonna go for PayPal login. So let me run our tool here. And once again, once I do login, one more time, you can see that we got, here it is, that we got the username and the password that we used for the login. So this is the login email, and this is the login password, 123 Yahoo. Again, let's verify that this is the same password and username stored on the last pass. So I will unhide the password, and fair enough, it is 123 Yahoo. Perfect. Last site that we're gonna try with is Twitter. So let me end up this process and I will go for Twitter login. Okay. And I will run our tool here. And as usual, once I hit on the login button, we can see the email and the password. So the email is bigtasty321 as Gmail. Here it is. And this is the password. As we explained in the previous video, these values here are in hexa format and it needs to be converted into ASCII. Okay. A little reminder that both the keylogger and the clipboard hijacking techniques, which we explained earlier, are not gonna work in similar scenario. And this is because that we are not typing or pasting any data. Okay, that's it for this exercise. Thank you for watching.